Trump administration, EPA's trying to take a big step backwards, whether it has to do with pesticides and chemicals, the Clean Water Act, Clean Air Act. So we have to be on full alert.
The full funding for the Chesapeake Bay program is incredibly important to us. Your work on that is just, you're a leader in that, and we thank you for it.
This morning was really good for me to know that our delegation has a really close ally in the senator from Maryland.
Prairie dog colonies are important for golden eagles, swift foxes. The real key on a lot of these wildlife conservation programs is to keep species that are not at present endangered from becoming threatened or endangered.
The independent Audubon Societies were formed because birds were being slaughtered for fashion. And out of all these Audubon Societies that formed all over the country, the Migratory Bird Act was born and passed. And I'd like to say it was a lot of founding mothers who couldn't even vote, but they were very influential. Theodore Roosevelt was part of the Audubon Naturalist Society at the time, and he was instrumental in helping get the Migratory Bird Treaty Act passed. It's really foundational to our organizations to protect birds as they move through the country.
There are tremendous advantages that I see for having independent state organizations. We work on issues that might be overlooked by the administration